But just after midnight in Nice, screams of terror. But just after midnight. Panic.
But we started running. See a lot of people ducking, looking for doorways, places to hide.
People celebrating France's national holiday, Bastille Day. A witness said it was like people celebrating France's national. Bowling ball crushing everything in its path. Police quickly responded, shooting and killing the driver. At least 84 people have now died. Does it Boumiel, believed to be of Tunisian descent. He reportedly has a record as a petty criminal.
A trail of bodies left in its path. This video shared.
Завтра это будет во всех новостях. Сегодня я расскажу, как очевидец